I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now. I know why you're here, and it's because you have no friends. What's up, everyone? I'm Evan Forbes, Canadian Hoser, and yeah, sometimes you want a handheld shot over a tripod shot, but you got nobody to hold it. Or maybe you've done an effect that had to be shot on a tripod, and now you want it to be handheld because you want it to seem more real. Regardless of your story, I got a solution. Well, I got two. When you shoot your footage, remember, shoot it a little bit wider than what you want. I'll click the position property in After Effects, and I would type in wiggle, open bracket, 5,30, close bracket. This is going to mean 5 times in that second, it's going to move 30 frames. I don't like this, because it moves, but it doesn't rotate. Now we could do another wiggle property and I'll make it rotate a little bit, but it's too much work. What I like to do now, after last week, when I figured it out, I grab a piece of paper, get a marker, and I draw tracker points. Focus. I'm going to pin this on the wall. I'm going to go get my camera and start recording. Open up your editing software, throw the footage in, track it through, throw it onto your clip, scale up your footage and readjust. Now you have real handheld movement on a tripod shot. I don't know what else you guys want from me. I just showed you this. Thank you guys for watching. I know we have a different set today. That's because I've been working on the Christmas special. I hope to have out next week, hopefully Friday. Regardless, you're going to get a trailer this Wednesday, so subscribe for that. Yeah, I don't know why I keep talking, and if Phil, if you're watching this, I'm still waiting. Take off, you hosers.